Ever wonder if a serum can truly live up to its promises of glowing, hydrated skin? Today, we're taking a look at the Philosophy Hope in a Jar Biome-balance Glow Facial Serum, a product that claims to restore your skin's natural balance and provide a serious hydration boost. Let's dive into whether this serum can deliver on its big promises and what it's really like to use in your daily routine. First off, let's talk about what you're getting here. The Hope in a Jar Glow Serum is designed for all skin types, making it a versatile option if you're looking for something to enhance your skincare routine. The key ingredients that really caught my eye are hyaluronic acid, prebiotics, and AA2G, which work together to balance your skin's microbiome, hydrate deeply, and protect the skin barrier. All of this is packed into a 1-ounce bottle, perfect for those who love a good concentrated formula. Now, I've been using this serum for a few weeks, and I can say it's pretty straightforward to incorporate into your skincare regimen. The consistency is lightweight and absorbs quickly, which is great for both morning and evening routines. It doesn't leave any sticky residue, and I've noticed a slight glow to my skin after application. The scent is subtle, kind of like fresh aloe, which is refreshing without being overpowering. It's perfect for anyone who's sensitive to strong fragrances in their skincare. When it comes to performance, I've tested it in a few different scenarios, under makeup as part of my evening routine, and just as a quick hydration pick-me-up. It held up really well. During the day, it provided a smooth canvas for foundation without any pilling, and at night, it felt like a calming step before my moisturizer. One thing I did notice is that while it gives a nice initial glow, it's not super long-lasting. The hydration is definitely there, but I did find myself needing to apply it consistently to maintain that fresh feeling throughout the day. So, what's great about this serum? First, the texture is silky and absorbs quickly. No greasy feel, which I really appreciate. It's also a solid addition if you're looking for something to restore your skin's barrier and offer a boost of hydration without overwhelming your routine with heavy formulas. Plus, it seems to work well for all skin types, which makes it an easy option for people who struggle with finding a product that fits their specific skin needs. However, there are a couple of things that might be considered cons. While it's hydrating, the effects seem to fade a bit faster than I expected. It's not like you'll get a full day of supercharged moisture without layering other products on top. Also, while the serum does a decent job of giving a glow, it might not be enough for those looking for something more intensive when it comes to tackling issues like deep dryness or uneven skin tone. Now, for the price point, this is definitely on the higher end for a 1-ounce serum. So, is it worth it? In my opinion, yes, if you're looking for a gentle, skin-balancing serum with a nice, smooth finish. But if you're on a budget, there are similar products out there that might deliver comparable hydration at a lower price. For a more budget-friendly option, you could look into products like the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5 or Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Serum, which both focus on hydration without breaking the bank. Of course, they don't offer the same level of biome-balancing ingredients, but they are solid alternatives for hydration-focused needs. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and easy to use. The pump dispenser helps to minimize product waste, and it's travel-friendly, which is always a bonus. As for longevity, the product seems to last as expected for a 1-ounce serum, and I haven't seen any degradation in the formula during use, which is a good sign. If you're wondering about customer support, Philosophy is known for being pretty responsive, but I haven't had any issues requiring interaction, so I can't speak to that from direct experience. However, the brand's reputation is solid when it comes to addressing concerns and inquiries. In conclusion, the Philosophy Hope in a Jar Glow Serum is a solid performer for anyone looking for balanced hydration, smooth texture, and a gentle glow. However, if you need something with more intense, long-lasting hydration, or if you're on a budget, there are other options worth considering. This product shines if you're focused on a healthy skin barrier and consistent hydration throughout the day, but it might not be a one-stop shop for all of your skincare needs. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, And as always, if you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.